Your search is over. We have it, but it won't last long. This is Dodge's most unique vehicle in the lineup, the 2008 Dodge Caliber S XT. Has this vehicle even been driven? Take it home today, and enjoy more miles to come. Want to save some money? Get the new look, for the used price on this one-owner vehicle. Never worry about being broke from increasing gas prices. This vehicle gets excellent gas mileage with its 2.0L 4-cylinder. If you have any questions or if you would like to view our incredible inventory, please contact Richimar Internet Department at 708-309-1647. Great vehicle. Will get you where you need to be. Travel confidently in this vehicle with the included roadside assistance program from the factory. Just remember, you gotta see Jack.